Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This model here, this B-25 that I'm going to show you guys how I model it, is going to be very comprehensive. I'm going to show you everything, what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how I model the wheels, and I'm going to do all the intricate details inside of here. I'm going to model the guns inside of this. Everything in the picture. I'm going to model all of this and show you guys how to do it. All these little, I don't know what they're called, little flap thing looking things here, how to do those, these side gun, everything. And just going to show you guys how to do all of this. And the files for this will be available to my Patreon members. And so if you don't want to model this yourself, you can always become a Patreon member, and these files will be available to you. Or you can follow along with me and model it yourself. And also this particular picture, if you would like it, let me know, and I'll send you a copy of this pictures also. So this first video that I'm going to do is just going to be inserting the pictures and somewhat getting the shape of the fuselage. And like I said, this is going to be a series of how I'm going to do this. And so it's going to take a little time to get all the detail in here. But first of all, we'll go ahead and just get a little start here and get the first few pictures inserted here. So let's get started. And cancel this. I don't need this. Come up here, new design. And here we are. Now insert the pictures on this canvas here. And it's a B-25. And click OK. Come up here to canvas. Change this to side. And I'll go ahead and calibrate this as well. So come up here, right click, calibrate, and I'm going to make this 2 meters long. From here to here. And this is 2,000 millimeters. And I'm going to move this down to here to line it up with this origin. So come up here to the side, right click, edit canvas. And click OK. Now that one picture is put in here and calibrated, and might looks like it's a little crooked, but I will address that once I start modeling this. So I'm now going to enter the top picture of this. Insert canvas from my computer. The blueprint is already there. And this is going to be the top. Scroll out to see the picture so it's bigger. Going to rotate this around and click OK. And change this to top. Right click on the top, and we're going to calibrate. From the nose up here to the back here, 2,000 millimeters. Right click this top and click Edit Canvas so I can move this and align it up with the origin. And click OK. Our top and side view are now in. Now we just have to put the front view in. Again, come up here to Insert, Canvas, Insert from my computer, B-25 blueprint. On this plane, scroll out or drag this out. And click OK. Change this to front. And right click on front and calibrate. And front here, the back here, 2,000 millimeters. Right click on the front again over here and edit canvas. And move this up so the front picture is lined up on the origin. Click OK. And this is what we have. Now it looks like this is slightly askew, the top here. So I'm going to rotate that. Right click on top and edit canvas. Let's try 2 millimeters. Needs to come down more, so 3 millimeters. 4, 5, 6. Oops, it's at the wrong one here. It's not I didn't rotate that. We go back and do that again. Top, right click, edit canvas. Okay, now I'll move this down a little. Okay, now that's lined up there. And click OK. Since this is going to be very detailed, make sure you, when you insert the canvases here, everything's lined up properly. And that's what I'm doing here also. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is put in the first form. Come up here, click on Create Form, and I'm going to use a box. As you can see, this here is somewhat a box shape, so that's why I'm going to use a box for this. And I want it on this plane here. Now I just select the center point, and I'm just imagining now from this is the top of the plane here, this is a turret. So we're going to start here, and the center of that is about right here. Just guesstimating. And drag this out. And then pull this all the way back to the back of here. Add more height faces. Eight looks to be good. And go ahead and click OK. Finish form. And I want to take a look at this from the front. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this form, or excuse me, the sketch up a bit the front. But first, before I do that, I'm going to move this down. Oops. Come here. And just move this down a little. And click OK. And look at this from the front. Now, as you can see, this is down more than it is from here, so I'm going to move this canvas down, and this is the front. And as you can see, I'm just moving it down to line it up in here. And click OK. And let's have a look at the top view. And the top canvas looks like it can come down just a little bit too. So we'll come over here to the top and edit canvas. and we're just going to move it down just a little bit. Okay, and that looks to be it right there. We can see this form is all in here like it should be. From the side view, it's all in there too. And a top view. Next, what I want to do, come down here and edit. But first, let me finish this again. Okay. Now we start the process. And with this, we want to take our time to get it correct. Gonna insert edge about right there. Come over here, exact, and click OK. Now the front here, I want to get rid of these. So click right click, delete. And I want to get rid of these around here also. And get rid of these four in the back. And back to this. And we can see that looks pretty good from the side so far. Let's go ahead and look at the top. Add another segment here. Push Alt. Drag this out. Add another edge. take a look at this. Okay. Got a little problem here, but no worries. I removed more than what I should have, so what I'm going to do here is delete that, because I removed more than I should have, but that's no big deal. We'll just correct that now. Since I have this selected, Alt, Alt again, another section, and Alt again for another section. As you saw, that's not really of a big deal. You turn the canvases off here so I can have a really good look at this form. Okay. Insert an edge here. Move it back slightly. Click OK. Click OK. Going to insert another edge, but I want it back here. Click OK. Look at this from top. Finish form. Turn the canvas off. Okay. Move this up. Now I'm just making sure that this fits all in here, and right here is going to have to come up a little. Okay. Finish form. Have another look. Okay, that looks better. Now I have to bring this down here up. So do that. And all the stuff that I'm doing here is, if you're wondering how I go from box mode to regular form mode, I'm just using Alt 1 to turn box mode off and Alt 3 to turn it off. So again, Alt 1 to turn it on and Alt 3 to turn it off. And to get rid of the lines, and bring the lines back, I'm using Control 4 to get rid of the lines and Control 6 to bring the lines back. And as you can see, this is starting to shape up really well. And as you can see, this is taking time to do this to get it right. So that's what I'm doing here. All right, I think that's enough for this one video. It sort of long, and I know we only did working on one portion right here, but like I said, I want this to be very scale looking and everything, so it's taking longer to do than other models I've shown you guys how to model, because this, again, I want this to be really scaled and highly detailed, a highly detailed model. So that's why it's taking it a little longer, or it's going to take a lot longer to get everything correct. So that's going to do it for this. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also like and comment. And if you would like, I invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. I will have links to both of the sites down in the comments. And so have a look there. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there's going to be several more on this. And so, like I said, there's going to be a lot more to this, because we can see here from this, what I'm working on, it's going to be highly detailed. So, and this here, this is just a start right here. Alrighty, you guys have a good one, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.